What is up, everybody? Real estate investor Sav, you know who it is. Back in my South Windsor project, looking at the egress status. Let's go check it out. You can see the hole back there. All right. Here we are in the middle of digging out egress. Look at that. We got all the holes dug out, and we got the brick cut out, and then the cinder block behind that. That's a 48-inch window by 36 height. That's a big boy window. We put in the lintels to hold up the brick. All right, and now we're gonna start framing this in. We found a concrete crack there that we're gonna seal. That's pretty easy. But we got waterproofing anyways on the inside. Now look here. So this one is not an egress because this is part of the kitchen slash dining room area. So we just have a big window there, 48 width, 14 height. Lintels in. That's how we do, guys. Rain, snow, ice, it don't matter. We got to protect our investment, right? We got to get that cash flow. Here's all the lumber for the frame that we're gonna do. Make it nice and tight. This one's at the back here. This is another bedroom, so this is gonna be egress, and that's why it's all dug up. We have an older window there. You can see the cuts up there. That's where the lintel goes, but that's going to be pretty much the size of the window. You can see the cuts there. It's already made. We just got to cut them out now. So all that is happening today, and we'll be done with egress. Well, the windows are not in. And here we have it. Egress dug, cut out, window well, sorry. Where's the drain here? There's my drain. Beautiful. Connected to the big O under the foundation of the house. We're waiting for the actual window to come in, so that's gonna be next week. So we just boarded up with here with some foam, waterproof. This window actually is in, as you can see. It's not an egress, but nonetheless, all framed out, cut out, all framed out. He's gotta cap it, so flatten it out. We probably got it graded over the spring. The guys are here right now. They're gonna power wash this to get rid of all the mud that we dug up. Get it nice and clean. Let me show you the back real quick. Here it is. So we broke the concrete, if you remember. This one's all dug out too and closed up. Can't see the drain, it's covered up there, but it's done really well. We put gravel down, so this is going to set over the winter, or settle I should say, over the winter, and then come spring we can pour concrete to finish up the job. But all it took is basically 4 or 5 days, and we're good to go. Egress in, on to the inside, guys. So as I always say, if you're looking for this kind of projects, if you want some help in your project, or you want somebody to take care of your project in Windsor, Ontario, give me a shout. DM me on this post, DM me on all my social media, Real Estate Investor Sav, and we can get it done. Legal second suite conversion, South Windsor, making 1 into 2. That's it, baby.